think I need another layer. I'm freezing today.
Aloha guys, and welcome back to another episode. We are here in Big Island in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. We always do one day here, we come out and then try to find different hiking trails, but today we decided that we're gonna do a repeat hike, which is our favorite hike, the Kilauea Iki hike. And you guys heard my wife, she's freezing. It is freaking cold. It's like 56 degrees, like not even 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's drizzling. We have our layers on, so we're heading out to the trail. I will tell you guys the truth, I really love this super nice trail. It's like you can tell it's from a national park. They take care of the trails, they are stairs, they are easy walking. I'm so not used to compared to Oahu trails. This is just a treat. So Kilauea Iki was actually erupted last in 1959, and some say this was the most beautiful eruptions of the 20th century. It was going on for like 36 days, and one of the huge eruption actually blew up to like 1900 feet high. So you can see the trail in the middle of the crater. It looks pretty distinct. So actually that hill right on the side of Kilauea Iki, it's called Pu'upuai, and it was formed after the 1959 eruption, so it's pretty cool. So actually we are staying with one of our friends in Volcano, and it's pretty amazing to be out here in nature. It's so quiet, you don't hear anything beside this. Yes, the coqui frogs. That's the only thing you hear the whole Big Island, but actually it's a pretty nice sound to fall asleep. So after 1.2 miles on this beautiful trail, we made it down to Kilauea Iki crater, which looks very exciting, so let's go check it out. We are in a different world. It's so beautiful. It's huge cracks on the ground. You see the vegetation is growing. It's just really amazing spot to see. So I understand why it's so popular, this hike. But today we are lucky, it's not a lot of people, so we can just really enjoy this. So you have to watch out how you walk on lava, because this is super sharp. So even if it's just a little bit you hit your finger or your feet, you get scratched up, you can get cut up. So make sure you try to avoid to step on these lava. So actually later you start this hike, more and more people shows up. So if you want a little bit less people on the trail, definitely start around 7:38, and that way you can enjoy the crater with less crowds. Crossing the crater is around 1.2 miles, and then we have to go back up. And I think we're gonna check out the Thurston Lava Tube, because we never seen it before. So let's see how does it look like. So this was the Thurston Lava Tube, which is pretty cool. If you've never been into a lava tube, it's fun, but it's not really a big deal.
Short.
Yeah, it's short. So there are some bigger ones on the island where you can get on a tour and check those out. This was it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and see you guys next time. Aloha.